Don't blink. Let me show you the power of science. Pour some wine on the sand, then pour the mixed sugar baking soda on. Light a fire, and the magnificent Pharaoh's snake is summoned. You can easily lift the egg yolk in the bowl by touching the guard. This is the second-rate sword. Add baking soda to the black, and eat white vinegar. When mixed, it will produce a mysterious gas. This gas can easily extinguish 2 rows of burning candles. This is the principle of fire extinguisher. No matter what you break a paperclip into, just throw it into hot water and it will recover. This is the original state. This is the characteristic of memory metal. Apply some ballpoint, pen ink to the tail of the leaf and put it in water. In the groove, the leaves move like an engine. This is the ink. It is hydrophobic. Tear off the burner paper on the matchbox and burn it. Leaving a layer of brown oil stains on your fingertips, just rub it back and forth to produce white smoke. This is the magician, the secret of making smoke empty-handed. Insert 2 pencils into the salt water and contact the top of a convenience pool. You can see the hydrogen and oxygen in the water. On the cap of the unopened beer bottle, dig a small hole and tap the body of the beer bottle. The beer can be quickly sprayed and gushed out. This is the stone refining reaction. Pull a basin of Anhui water into the sun, put the mirror in it and adjust the angle in the basin. You can get a shaking rainbow. Cola. Pull ring. Don't panic if it's broken. Just use a chopstick to rub at the opening to open the coke. Why is this? Put the matches in half from the middle. Tip to tip. Put them together, drop a few drops of water in the center, and it slowly turns into a perfect 5-pointed star. This is the tension of water throws one end of the string of beads out. The string of beads actually rises into the air and spurts out. This is the famous bead chain fountain effect. There's only one power saving in the air conditioner remote control. What about the pool? Just use a piece of iron wire to connect the positive and negative remote controls of the remote control. It can be used normally. Wrap the copper wire around the screws in circles and connect the head to the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. This is the work of the crane. The principle is to put a piece of toilet paper at the bottom of the cup, soak the tissue with water, and then press the other cup hard on it so that the two bonded together. How can I quickly pour out a full bottle of water? Just shake the bottle a few times to release. Hand water is in, the bottle forms a vortex, fast flow. Out. This is the power of the water spout. Dip the honey into the root of the rose and insert it. Put it into the potato, and then bury it in the soil to cultivate raise honey and potatoes. The combination can stimulate the growth and development of the roots, and the department can shorten the time to cultivate lush roses. Use a cotton swab dipped in milk and write on white paper. The secret. The words on it are baked in heat and then slowly appear. This is the wordless book of heaven. Don't eat the chewing gum. Pinch it into this shape. While the chewing gum is not paying attention to the coconut smashed at him, it was opened. This is the power of the flying Newton fluid. Cut the potatoes into small squares and string them with toothpicks, a herringbone shape. With the tip of the toothpick, a balance is formed, and this is the moment. The principle of balance has been popularized 100 times. It is better to accompany the child to experiment again and let the child put down the mobile phone and fall in love with silence.